How can we start our AI learning journey? First step is to understand the basics of AI. Start by grasping the fundamental concepts of artificial intelligence, including machine learning, neural networks, and algorithms. There are plenty of online resources and tutorials available to introduce you to these concepts. There are online courses and tutorials. Take advantage of online learning platforms like Coursera, Udacity, edX, and Khan Academy. They offer courses ranging from introductory to more advanced levels, taught by experts in the field. Refer books and resources. There are numerous books written for beginners in AI and machine learning. A popular choice is Artificial Intelligence, a guide to intelligent systems by Michael Negnevitsky. Then need to learn programming languages. Learn a programming language commonly used in AI, such as Python. Python has extensive libraries and frameworks, like TensorFlow and PyTorch, that make it easier to implement AI models. Next, understand foundations of machine learning. Focus on understanding the basics of machine learning, including supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. This will provide a solid foundation for more advanced topics. Practice with projects. Practical experience is crucial. Start with small projects like creating a basic chatbot or predicting simple patterns. As you gain confidence, move on to more complex projects. Search for online communities, videos, lectures, and forums. Join AI-related communities like Reddit's or Machine Learning or Stack Overflow. These communities are great for asking questions, sharing ideas, and learning from others. Platforms like YouTube offer a wealth of educational content, including video lectures, tutorials, and talks by AI experts. Keep abreast of developments. Follow AI news, blogs, and research papers to stay updated on the latest trends, breakthroughs, and discussions in the field. Experiment and learn by doing. One of the best ways to learn is by doing. Implement algorithms, build models, and experiment with different techniques. Learning from your mistakes and successes will deepen your understanding.